Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and spending a little time with me today. This video, I'm going to be planning the month of May for 2021 in my Recollections Celestial Planner. So I will have a video up where I pre-plan my month, and then also I have a kind of back plan and memory plan my month towards the end of, well, like the beginning of the next month. So that's how I do things around here. I always pre-plan my weeks, pre-plan my months, and then I go back and memory keep. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is a beautiful kit with this like pretty yellow and purple colors and some hints of pinks and greens and oranges from Sticker Guru, which is a shop that I PR for. You can use my code to save or just put my name in the notes for my freebie. All of the shops that I use in this plan with me are going to be linked down below for your convenience, as well as any codes or anything to save you some money that I have. I will link that too. And I will try to remember to mention everything that I use. For example, this ruler is from Simply Gilded. It's a little flimsy though, so I kind of ended up switching it out for the Fox and Pip ruler. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the base of the kit. There is a little bit of trimming needed because the kit is not specifically formatted for a Recollections planner, but it's nothing too major and it still is, passable and not too much of a hassle. So I do trim up a little bit, but not too much. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the base of the kit and just play some music. And then when we get to the first and we start kind of planning out the things that are going on this month, then I will go ahead and start telling you what I'm planning. hope that y'all liked my sad attempt at a transition right there. So what I did was I used some Simply Gilded washi up at the top with the little skinny bows, and I used some Simply Gilded washi in the left-hand corner there because pretty much the whole entire first week of May is just like the days in April, the last, week of April. So I used, the extra boxes in the kit to cover those days that are not May. And then I still needed a little bit more. So I just kind of covered those up with washi, and then these cute little tiny bees from planner Pixie Co, which is from an old TPC sale freebie that I got like a really long time ago, and I've just been holding on to it. And then some pretty bouquets from JK Co, which is a shop that I PR for. You can use my code to save. Again, it is linked down below for your convenience. Okay, so for May 1st, the only thing I am planning for is Beltane, which is a pagan Sabbat or holiday. So I used a Beltane script from Colored Daze and then another pretty bouquet from JK Co. Then I have some bills due on the 2nd, just some credit card bills, so I just used a bill due from the kit. Then I took one of the foiled starry bow boxes from the kit, and I wrote May the 4th be with you because that is Star Wars Day, May 4th. And I used this adorable Yoda. Hold on, I think that was Inspire Ever After, but I am drawing a blank, so let me just double check really quick. Yes, it was Inspire Ever After. She sent that over as a little freebie, and I was very grateful. It's so cute, little baby Grogu from The Mandalorian, but that's literally the only Star Wars sticker that I had. And I was like, oh, perfect. And then we have the Cinco de Mayo I put on there because, Cinco de Mayo. We don't really celebrate. My father's side of the family is not from Puebla, but I am Mexican. We're just not from that side of Mexico. So anyway, but it's there. I'm a market. Then on the 7th, I have another bill due. And then also my husband has an appointment with the DMV to renew his driver's license. So I used a car icon from the kit and then a leafy divider from JK Co. Then I just put the Mother's Day script in for the 9th. Well, it's not a script, but the Mother's Day box. Usually I do the holidays as part of my base of the kit planning, but I just kind of went day by day with it. So I put in Mother's Day. The 12th is my father-in-law's birthday, so I'm taking another one of those foiled boxes and using the happy birthday script from the kit. And then I have this leftover present circular icon that I don't know who it's from because it's just from my Destash pile. So I just used the purple one because it matches with the kit. And then I have more bills due on the 14th as well as the 21st. So those are right there. I'm just going to put those down. Also, I have Saturn retrograde and Mercury retrograde on these cute tiny page flag sticky notes from Simply Gilded. The purple one, as you can see right there, and then the yellow one is for Mercury over there on the right. I'm just going to leave those as is because I don't really have a sticker to mark that, and these little page flags were just a perfect kind of colorway. Well, the yellow is a little bit bright, but it was still really pretty, and so I thought that I would just leave those there because whatever. Then for the 24th, I have some blood work I need to have done just for fasting. I need to make sure I fast and have the blood work done. So I'm going to layer a pretty JK Co bouquet with a Dash of Sun Designs hand-drawn bow doodle injection, or what immunization I think is the sheet that's it's called, but you can use it for anything with needles appropriately. And then I also PR for Dash of Sun, so make sure you use my code to save with her too. And then I took another leafy divider from JK Creates and put that in there. Then I just stuck Memorial Day in there, and then I have a Wild Summer Designs hand-drawn laptop or computer office desk kind of situation because it's my husband's first day at his new job, so I wanted to mark that in there. So I'm going to take a work script from Harriet Wright Designs, and I'm going to layer that next to the little laptop and use a squiggle from Honey Inked to go underneath it. I also have some bills due on the 25th, so I'm going to pick up the date flag thing and then just put the bill due on the top there. And I don't have a lot of space for memory planning on that day, but oh well. It was already bad enough that I had, because of April taking up this whole entire week for the 1st of May, the 23rd and the 30th and the 24th and the 31st are all squished in there, so it's going to be a little sad. I can't really memory plan those days because there's no room for anything, but oh well. So I'm just going to trim the side of the bill due a little bit because it does hang off a little bit. Usually I try to center it so it hangs off a little bit to the left and a little to the right and you don't even notice it. But I couldn't bump it to the left anymore or cover up the flowers and stuff, so I didn't want to do that. So I just trimmed off the excess. The 26th of May is my son's last day of school, so I'm going to take a box from the kit, and then I have a last day of school script from Sticker Bloom, which is a really older sheet. I got that a long time ago, and I think she goes by Vanilla Paper Co now. I'm just going to layer that with another bouquet from JK Crates, and then a virtual learning hand-drawn bow doodle from Dash Sun Designs, because this whole entire year for my son has been virtual learning. So, but it is the last day of school on the 26th. And then, yeah, and then that's it for the month, besides for the 29th being Mercury retrograde, as you can see. But like I said, I'm just going to leave that there. The yellow doesn't match perfectly, but I like these little skinny page flags. They're cute. I got those in a recent sub box from Simply Gilded, but I can't remember which one or even what the theme was at all. They're kind of like primary colors. They're kind of bright and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, I'm kind of thinking I'm pretty much going to unsubscribe from the box, since I end up selling off a lot of my stuff. It's not worth it to keep subscribing. Anyways, though, this isn't about Simply Gilded, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the last few full boxes in the kit, just to kind of, you know, add a little zhuzh around the planner and the month, and just kind of wherever there's some kind of blank spots, just put those in wherever I feel like. There's also a June like month at a glance, which I do like to use, but there's no room because it's all April's fault. I feel like the only place I could put it maybe is like on the 28th, I guess, because there's nothing going on there so far, but I don't know. I guess I could put it in the sidebar too, but then I would cover up the bees. I don't know. I didn't put it yet, but I'll maybe try to figure it out. So. And that is going to be pretty much everything for this plan with me for the month of May. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, because it helps out my channel and this video, and I really appreciate your support. It does mean a lot to me, and I'm grateful for it. Be sure you're subscribed if you're not already, so you don't miss more of my videos. I upload content regularly. And leave me a comment if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to say hi, and I will say hi back. I hope that you all are well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone ever try to tell you otherwise. Hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day and your month of May, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!